3, the mass in the Système International. It's the metric system, SI units that you'll often see. So, just reading here, in the Système International, the SI system. The kilogram is the basic unit of mass, but it's commonly used for weight as well. Most people don't distinguish between weight and mass. Anyways, 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. Hopefully you knew that. Just like 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram. That's sort of like 1,000 millimeters is 1 meter. Now this one's different. A metric ton, T-O-N-N-E. We abbreviate it with a small t. That's 1,000 kilograms. That is different than the imperial ton, which is a T-O-N, and we use a small t-n. That's 2,000 pounds. It's different. So a metric ton, 1,000 kilograms. Ballpark, it's approximately the same as a metric ton, by the way. Now let's look at one example here. What's the total weight of a loaded truck if the truck weighs 2.6 tons, and that's spelt with N-N-E-S at the end, so that's metric tons, and it's loaded with 15 skids of boxes that weigh 210 kilograms each. Give your answer in metric tons and tons. Let's think this through here. We got 15 skids or pallets of boxes. Each one weighs 210 kilograms. So let's find the total mass of all the skids. The mass of the skids should be 15 of them, right? Times 210. Use your calculator. You get that it's 3,150 kilograms. Of course, unit's very important. Now, we want this in tons. If you could think it through and just do it in your head, skip to that. If you're not good with just doing this in your head, well, if you see that it's 1,000 kilograms as a ton, you'd say 3.15 tons. If you're not good with that, set up a ratio, a fraction. 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms, which, in this case, we want to find the tons, and 3,150 kilograms. You do that, cross multiply, divide by the loaner, you'll know that that is 3.15 tons. But like I said, what I did in green, you could do in your head, and I'm fine with that. If you don't show the work for that step, because dividing and multiplying by 1,000 is not too difficult. Now, what's the total? The truck itself weighs 2.6 tons. And then the load itself is 3.15 tons. That's all the boxes that are loaded on. So the total weight of both the truck and the skids. Just a second here. I'll answer the phone. Hello. Yeah. Perhaps. Do you want me to send them to you? Yes, just a second here. Is this Miss Clark? Oh, okay. I couldn't tell whose voice this was, and I don't get a... Okay, sure. I'll just send them down. Okay, you bet. Okay, bye. Caton, can you go down to Ms. Clark's? Take your stuff, just go down to Ms. Stevenson's office. Thank you. Okay, the total weight, where was I here? 2.6 tons plus 3.2 tons. You add that up, 5.8 tons. So you might as well take your stuff, it sounded like. Okay? Now, try this one here on your own. The trick with this tomatoes stuff, I use 1.6 kilograms of tomatoes. You're given the masses or the weights in grams. I would suggest that you could change this into grams really simply, because 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so 1.6 kilograms should be 1,600 or 1,600 grams. You could just do that. Then you'd add up all of those, take the difference and see what you need. Try that out. Next thing, In this section, you're going to work between SI units of weight and imperial units of weight. What you need to know, 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds. It's actually 2.17 is a little more accurate, and I tend to use that, but I'll try to stick to what the book gives you, so 2.2 pounds. Another thing that's important, 1 ounce is 28.3 grams. So what else? Yeah, well, as the problems come up, you'll change things around. Let's see here. Example though, Lorinda's baking apple pies. According to her recipe, she needs 6 pounds of apples. The bag she bought only shows the weight in kilograms. It's not like the bags in our grocery store, they show both. How many kilograms of apples does she need? Well, we need to convert between pounds and kilograms. So what we're going to do is set up what we know about pounds and kilograms. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. Now what we want to find information about is the apples. We want the kilograms, so we put that on the top to match, and we want the mass of apples in kilograms, and we know that 6 pounds is what the recipe calls for. Cross multiply, divide by the loaner, and you should get 2.7 kilograms. Okay, so this one here, Chad weighs 68 kilograms. How much does he weigh in pounds? That's just sort of the same problem, but slightly different setup. Try it out, and you should get that he's about 150 pounds, 149.6 pounds. But set it up, work it out. Last example here. Cost of bananas is 49 cents a pound in the store. So right now, they're actually about 88 cents a pound. This is an old problem here. You see an advertisement for bananas at the other, it's $1.05 per kilogram. Trying to compare apples to apples? Nope, bananas to bananas. Which is the slightly better buy? Well, we got to get the system. We know that the one store is 49 cents for 1 pound. The other store, though, is $1.05 per kilogram, but I'm not going to call that a kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds. Now, if you just divide that, you're going to have the unit price per pound. So you'd say for 1 pound, and there you go. You're going to get the price per 1 pound. You will figure that out. Hopefully, you could just directly divide that. Actually, you don't have to set it up like this, but I'm making it more familiar for some people. It'll come out to be slightly better, 48 cents per pound. Obviously, a slightly better buy. Not that much. You're not saving a ton of money. Do a similar thing. 1 pound of beef. How much does 1 pound of beef cost if it's sold by the kilogram at $9.74? It's pretty cheap beef. Try the assignment and you should be good. I'm going to stop the recording in a second here and post her up.